Which number am I? Can you guess the number? I am number 1. O N E 1. Let's count the banana. 1 banana. Which number am I? I am number 2. T W O 2. Let's count the bananas. 1 2. So we have total 2 bananas. Which number am I? I am number 3. T H R E E 3. Let's count the bananas. 1 2 3. So we have total 3 bananas. Which number am I? I am number 4. F O U R 4. Let's count the bananas. 1 2 3 4. So we have total 4 bananas. Which number am I? I am number 5. F I V E 5. Let's count the bananas. 1 2 3 4 5. So we have total 5 bananas. Which number am I? I am number 6. S I X 6. Let's count the bananas. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have total 6 bananas. Which number am I? I am number 7. S E V E N 7. Let's count the bananas. 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7. So we have total 7 bananas. Which number am I? I am number 8. E I G H T 8. Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have total 8 bananas. Great job, kids. Which number am I? I am number 9. N I N E 9. Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have total 9 bananas. Which number am I? I am number 10. T E N 10. Let's count the bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have total 10 bananas. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas, 5 bananas, 6 bananas, 7 bananas, 8 bananas, 9 bananas, 10 bananas.